Tooradin traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor is rolling and entering at 22 for a departure to the west at Tooradin. There he is.
Tooradin traffic, Uniform Foxtrot Sierra, Vans RV6A, taxiing to runway 22, departure to Moorabbin. Tooradin.
Traffic short of Charlie, George Echoes, put down with runway 22 Tooradin.
Speed's coming up, oil temperature's precious in the green.
Wave as you go past, Doreen. Jesus, that's high, mate.
Traffic short of Charlie, George Echoes, turning base 22 grass, full stop Tooradin.
Trying to scare the shit out of me, were you?
Traffic short of Charlie, George Echoes, turning finals 22 grass, full stop Tooradin.
Moorabbin Tower, Uniform Foxtrot Sierra, Vans RV6, 2 nautical miles south of Carrum. Inbound 1,500 with Romeo.
She is out over the water.
Oh, yep.
Uniform Foxtrot Sierra, Moorabbin Tower, join final runway 35 right and correction 35 left, and looks like there's traffic just off to your right converging.
Uniform Foxtrot Sierra, traffic noted, join final 35 left, and I'm passing traffic on the right.
Uniform Foxtrot Sierra, thanks. Number 1, report on a 3-mile final.
Number 1, report 3 mile, Uniform Foxtrot Sierra.
Moorabbin Tower, Bravo Sierra Victor, that's us at Carrum 1400. We have the RV in sight, inbound with Romeo, request airways.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Moorabbin Tower, join final runway 35 left and follow the RV.
Bravo Sierra Victor, 35 left, follow the RV.
And a wave.
Rule me out.
I'll get you to move across now for change of runway 35 right, call tower 1181.
Sorry, was that the Uniform Foxtrot Sierra?
Hey firm, 35 right now, thanks.
Changing.
November Juliet Tango, you can keep it coming into a close final, runway 35 left, number 1.
Number 1 for 35 left, November Juliet Tango.
We're coming up to 3 miles now.
Bravo Sierra Victor, number 2, you'll be following an Aero Commander just out to your left, approaching Mordio up here.
There he is.
Bravo Sierra Victor, traffic sighted. I might do a little orbit, we're just at 3 miles now. I'll do a left-hand orbit behind him.
Oh, you won't need to do that, he's quite a bit quicker.
Okay, we'll continue our straight in, Bravo Sierra Victor. Look like it to me.
He's pretty close.
November Juliet Tango, turn left now, thanks, turn left.
November Juliet Tango, over.
Yeah, we're just coming into a short final position, thanks. There's a Cessna just off to your right there.
Gotcha, got him sighted.
Brakes, undercarriage, mixture rich. Masters on, magnetos both, primer, temps, pressures, harnesses. That's a bit of fun.
Yeah, he's close, isn't he? Be ready to go around.
Moorabbin Tower, Echo Papa Bravo, Cessna 172, ready holding point Alpha 7 for runway 35 left for a departure to the west.
Echo Papa Bravo, hold position.
Hold position, Echo Papa Bravo.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear to land.
Clear to land, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Line up, Echo Papa Bravo.